Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to today's AXS update for Sunday, 3rd of March, and we're looking pretty good with AXS right now. And what I want to say though is I'm going to remove this, upper line over here, and I do have my EMAs turned on. And look, right now we are making a nice bull cross over here, and it's a confirm bull cross. Okay, this is a bullish sign that AXS is actually about to go absolutely parabolic to the upside. So I did tell you that in the previous videos as well, on the daily, all you did is search to the upside, came down, make a bull flag, breaking out of the bull flag, and boom, you're starting to go to the upside. One level that you don't want to lose though is going to be 60.34. If you start to roll down to the 60.34, lose the 60.34, then in my opinion, you're not looking to go to the upside. And there's a deep correction coming in potentially, and Bitcoin could have a problem maybe, or it could be something else. But at this point of time, SLP is looking quite good, and AXS itself is looking quite good on the 10 EMA. Just look how the 10 EMA is supporting the price right now. It's not even letting lose the 10 EMA. We're not losing it at all. It's pushing the price, and that's a very good sign. Okay. So the next target out of that bull flag that I just showed you is going to take you all the way to the $106 right over here. SLP is also looking to pump like 50% to the upside. This is amazing, and I actually talked about how many events are actually coming up for AXS in the previous videos as well. And that's it for this update. I don't see anything wrong at this point of time. The flag does remain, and we also have this 60.34 as your big level of support. Start to lose this one, you're potentially gonna fall back to the 42 or even maybe the $44 region. And I do have a technical analysis course for you if you want to pay 29 bucks instead of 49. You can pay with crypto. In order for you to do that, you have to join the Discord and join me. Message me in the Discord, and I'm gonna tell you how you pay 29 bucks. And thanks for the 10k subs as well. And I'm gonna see you the next one. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's Solana video update. And oh boy, aren't we just looking so amazing, so good right now? Are we just not nearly inching the price of the $155.24 that I've been giving you in the previous past as well? Yes, we are inching right over there. So right now, it seems like on the daily, we do actually made a, what do you call this, shooting star over here. So there's a little bit of a problem that I do expect. Maybe if this shooting star starts to play, you're gonna see Solana come a little bit more down again to the $125, and then from there, back test the 10 EMA, and you start to continue to the upside. So far, the 10 EMA has been a very big support right now. Do you see that? It's been a very big support at this point of time. Whenever the price went up, came down to the 10, went up, came down to the 10, went up, potentially again can come down to the 10, hold the 10, and then from here, boom, you go to the 155 finally, after all those days that I've given you this technical target. Damn, so far I'm really happy that these predictions have been playing out, but we do have one thing that's so bullish. We do have a bullish cross, and this is now confirmed bullish cross. And Solana, in my opinion, could be on the verge of making something very big in the next coming few days. So what's the play and what's the catch? In my opinion, we could start to put in an Elliott wave theory, and who knows, this could be a first big whooping Elliott wave count number one. Come down here for the second at the $120, go for the third here, maybe at the 321, come for the fourth to the 230, and you continue all the way to the $500 up over there. 1 2 3 4 5 Elliott wave counts. If this can happen, that would be actually very beautiful. Okay, it could be really awesome. And in the previous as well, we do know that Solana likes to make Elliott wave theory so many times. Okay, so it happened even down here that I did guess 1 2 3 4 5 A B C correction, something like that. So you could repeat all this history once again to go boom all over there. Okay, and that's it for the update, guys. Thank you so much for the 10k. Ramadan Kareem to every single person out there. And if you want to take a technical analysis course, as I was predicting Solana as well, you guys can check it out here and learn how this prediction came true. And it's $29. if you want to pay with crypto. So do join the Discord and message me on the Discord, and I'm going to tell you how to pay with cryptocurrency for $29 for $20 off, and it's a limited time offer for you out there. And I'm going to see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.